we are pleased to introduce the release of Fantasy Colors, a unique book created by some of the best miniature painters in the world. Angel Chiraldez, Arnau Lazaro, David Aroba, Shemi de Garnica, Juan Hidalgo, Mark Masclans, Rodrigo Hernandez, y Sergio Vilches. This visual treasure is dedicated to the painting of fantasy figures using Vallejo's game color range. More than just a book, Fantasy Colors is an inexhaustible source of inspiration and knowledge for all fantasy enthusiasts. Through 8 step-by-step articles, you will discover the techniques and secrets of the authors who push their skills to the limit to create these impressive works, and you will learn how to use the game color range to achieve the most amazing effects. Each author focuses on a specific technique, from the use of airbrush to the most advanced lighting effects, to the techniques of using express color, to painting metals, to the different skin tones that can be achieved with the versatility of game color. Enjoy an impressive collection of painted figures with detailed descriptions of the colors and techniques used, and get up close and personal with the artists behind the work, their motivations and creative processes. In this book, you will find valuable lessons and a source of inspiration that will allow you to take your fantasy figure painting to the next level. Fantasy Colors is a must-have for any artist or fantasy miniature painting enthusiast.